As part of the vision of Richard Togby, EM of Education, to transform educational atmosphere at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong, Avijit Kro, MEC from Chintong constituency, is also working tirelessly to revolutionize the current educational scenario and ensure all the educational institutions are equipped with full-fledged teaching staff. On 7th of August around 8 p.m, an interactive session was organized at Chintong and discussed about the procedure against those teachers of lower primary schools who rose their salaries without performing their duties, and also against those employees who had actively participated in political parties during the election period. On this occasion, Saraswati Teronpi, teacher, Malongkisir LP School, and Sikap Hangchopi, teacher, Nongkeda LP School, took the opportunity to felicitate the MEC of Chintong constituency, Avijit Kro, with a Karbi souvenir. It was informed that the teachers of LP School under Chintong constituency discussed to give specific preference to their profession and avoid entertaining at any political parties. Therefore, Avijit Kro, MEC, appeals the citizens of Chintong constituency to send their children to local educational institute rather than sending them to neighboring districts for education purpose from the following year. MEC Avijit Kro appeals the citizens of Chintong to work unitedly irrespective of their political background to transform the educational atmosphere within the district, and he assures to upgrade all the lower primary educational institute under Chintong constituency in the coming days. Marirong Pars report from Mulukunchi for Karbi Anglong Live.